Welcome to Ask the Speed Addict, an all-new SpeedAddictsTV YouTube channel where we share tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your parts, gear, and accessories when you're out on the road. In today's episode, we're going to teach you the best ways to mount Insta360's 360-degree action camera on your street bike. And stay tuned for the end of the video where we share a couple reasons why Insta360's X4 camera is one of our favorite action cameras. Who's ready to ride? All right, everyone, here we are with our 2026 Ninja ZX-6R and our Insta360 X4 camera. So rule number one with these action cameras is you always want to put them on the center of the bike. You want them in the center of the bike because it gives a more symmetrical shot, a more symmetrical and balanced shot. And that way it's easier to edit and also gives you a more natural look for your audience. So another good mounting part would be right here on the center of the bike. And we're using that with Insta360's included in the motorcycle kit flexible adhesive mounts. These adhesive mounts are awesome because they mount to a variety of surfaces and you can replace them. You just simply remove them, buy some 3M double-sided VHB tape, and you can reuse them. Now, we have the flexible sticky mount, we have the tripod mount, and then we have the X4 camera neatly tucked in behind the windscreen. Now, the cool thing about having a windscreen on a sport bike, not only are you more comfortable as a rider, but it also shields the microphone from wind and helps you get better audio sound in terms of engine and exhaust. To further boost the audio, we have Insta360's accessory wind muffs right here. It's also worth noting that we have this camera in stereo mode. We always like to use stereo mode rather than wind reduction because it gives a more natural sound, but you have to have a windscreen. So that's tip number one, always mount the camera in the middle of the bike. And now we're gonna show you what that sounds and looks like. How good did that Ninja ZX-6R sound and look? Okay, tip number two, get Insta360's motorcycle bundle, which includes this heavy duty clamp that helps you mount the Insta360 camera on the motorcycle with a conventional handlebar like this 2026 Honda CB1000 SP. Now, ideally you want to have this clamp in the middle, but this clamp won't allow that. But we have Insta360's retired old style clamp, which is here. They're really hard to find, but this clamp's so cool because it gives you a little bit more articulation and allows you to center that camera. We talked about how important it is to center it. Having it offset a little bit like this isn't a deal breaker, but you always want to have it centered. But it's worth noting that this Insta360 clamp is highly maneuverable and it gives a lot of leeway. Another feature about it being shorter in height is it's super robust. It's got a really good heavy duty clamping force. It's also worth mentioning that when you mount these cameras, you want to have them centered. You don't want to have it leaning too far forward or too far back. You want it centered. You got to remember, there's a pair of cameras that catch everything. So when the camera is centered, you're going to get the best look. It's also worth noting that when you're riding these motorcycles in the open air without a fairing, it's always good to have a lens cover on the front lens that helps keep that lens clean and free from getting chipped up or rocks. You can shop for lens covers and all Insta360 hardware and accessories at SpeedAddicts.com. Now it's time to see and hear what this CB1000 Hornet SP sounds like with Insta360's X4 Air camera, also available at SpeedAddicts.com. when we talked about how we like to have the Insta360 mounted in the center of the subject, that allows you to get a real symmetrical shot and everything is just balanced from front to back. You have the most amount of editing options and it looks the most natural. Now here's one accessory that we absolutely love, this $100+ waist accessory with the $50 selfie arm. We have it attached to Insta360 X4. This is an older model, but realistically it'll work with any Insta360 action cam. You wanna have the lighter action cam, the better, because this thing's gonna be on a stick. It's gonna be overhead of us, and that gives you a cool overhead shot of you riding, which we're gonna show you right now. Well, there you have it, some helpful tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Insta360 action camera. On the Ninja clip, the ZX-R clip in the beginning, that was shot on our Insta360 X4. And in our opinion, the X4 has the best audio quality of all the cameras. For sure, the X5 quality is even better than ever, and the X4 Air is super light. But if you want the optimum sound quality, always shop for the X4. Speaking of which, if you're shopping for Insta360 cameras or accessories, make sure to do it at SpeedAddicts.com and sound off in the comment section below. What did you think of our introductory episode of Ask the Speed Addict, and what questions should we answer in the next episode? Sound off in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to the Speed Addict TV YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next episode.